Yes, student, this is one more numerical. The resistance, that is R, of a conductivity cell filled with 0.1 m KCl solution. Okay, the concentration is 0.1 m KCl solution is 100 ohm. If the resistance of the same cell when filled with, that is the concentration is changed, okay, so that its resistance is also changed, 520 ohm. Are you getting? Now we have to find conductivity, that is kappa, and molar conductivity of this new concentration having KCl solution, that is 0.02 m. Given that conductivity of 0.1 m KCl solution is 1.29 Simon per meter. Student, to find conductivity, okay, conductivity is the reciprocal of resistivity, okay, and to find resistivity we require what? Length and area of cross section. But here area of cross section and the length is not given. Therefore, to find conductivity, to find conductivity of 0.02 m KCl, we have to use one more other formula, and this other formula is what? Is equal to cell constant. Okay, this is a constant value, cell constant divided by resistance, Now the resistance value is given in the question, it is given in the question, but the cell constant is not given. So what is the relationship between cell constant? Okay, so we can find cell constant indirectly by the value of 0.m KCl solution, because it is a constant value. It remains constant even if the concentration is changed. So what to do? We can find first what? Cell constant using 0.1 m KCl solution, and from there we can place the value. Are you getting? So to find cell constant, okay, we can say what? For 0.1 m, that is mole per liter KCl solution, 0.1 m KCl solution, resistance is given, what is this? 100 ohm, this one, and the conductivity is given, here is the conductivity, and kappa is given what? 1.29 Simon per meter. Getting? Now how they are related? It is related as cell constant is equal to resistance multiplied by what? Conductivity. Resistance is 100 multiplied by conductivity is 1.29 Simon per meter. So it is equal to 129 Simon per meter. Okay. This become or simply called per meter. This become what? Per meter. This become your what? Cell constant. Now place cell constant value in, you do write it equation what? In equation what? 1. So conductivity conductivity of 0.02 m KCl is equal to, cell constant is 1.29 meter per meter divided by, what is this resistance? What is the resistance? Now the resistance of this solution is 520 ohm. Okay, so when you will solve it, you will get the answer 0.248 per ohm. Are you getting? And the unit will be what? Per meter. So this is the value of conductivity. So the first question is solved. Okay. Now to find what molar conductivity of what 0.02 m KCl solution. Okay, 0.02 m KCl. Okay, that is what? That is in the question it is given 0.02 into 10 to power 3 mole per meter cube. Okay, it is equal to 20 mole per meter cube. 20 mole per meter cube. This is the value of what? Your concentration. This is the value of concentration. You can call it what? Concentration. Now you have the formula. Molar conductivity is equal to conductivity divided by what? Concentration. So already we have the value of conductivity. What was it? It was 0.248 divided by 20 mole per meter cube. Okay, and 0.248 per meter. This is what? Per meter. When you will solve, it will give the answer 1.24 into 10 to power minus 2 Simon meter square per mole. So in this way you can solve the question. Student, you can also solve the question by some alternate form. That is what? Without, we can convert 129 per meter cube into what? Centimeter, and then we can direct place the value. We can also get the answer. Thank you.